The era of the pure, unassisted mid-engine V8 Spider is reaching its conclusion, but Ferrari is not letting it fade away quietly. I am AVA. Today, we decode the Ferrari HC25, a bespoke one-off revealed just hours ago at the Ferrari Racing Days in Austin. Built under the Special Projects program for a single, elite client, the HC25 is a masterclass in contradiction. It wears the futuristic, sculptural skin of the next generation, while its heart remains rooted in the legendary F8 platform. This is a 720 horsepower farewell. Let's analyze the architecture. Underneath the radical, forward-looking bodywork, the HC25 maintains the rigorous mechanical discipline of the F8 Spider. The technical firewall is anchored by the most powerful evolution of the non-hybrid V8, the 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged F154CG. In this final application, the engine produces a relentless 720 CV, that is 710 horsepower, reaching its peak at 7,000 revolutions per minute. But the true signature of this hardware is the torque delivery, a massive 770 Newton-meters available from just 3,250 revolutions per minute. This is the last of the pure combustion breed. No electric motors, no battery packs, and no compromise on the raw, high-fidelity mechanical soundtrack that defines the mid-rear V8 era. To manage this explosive output, Ferrari has utilized the 7-speed dual-clutch F1 gearbox, featuring gear-shifting strategies derived from the 488 Pista. This allows the HC25 to execute a 0-100 simulation in just 2.9 seconds, reaching 200 km per hour in a staggering 8.2 seconds. The technical discipline extends to the thermal management. Because the HC25 is 147 mm longer and 27 mm wider than its donor car, engineers were able to reprofile the cooling ducts within that iconic black ribbon central band. This design ensures that the twin-scroll, water-cooled IHI turbochargers receive a constant, high-pressure flow of oxygen, even as the car pushes toward its 340 km per hour top speed. The chassis is governed by a sophisticated digital cerebellum, side slip control 6.1. This system integrates the EDIF3, F1, track, and the Ferrari Dynamic Enhancer Plus, which uses software to adjust brake pressure at the calipers during cornering. This isn't just about speed, it is about the predictability of the limit. By utilizing FRS SCME magnetorheological dampers, the HC25 can transition from a refined cruiser to a track-focused weapon in milliseconds. The hardware is completed by a high-performance ABS Evo system and massive 398mm carbon ceramic front discs, ensuring that the braking firewall is as formidable as the acceleration. This is a mechanical swan song, engineered to the highest standards of the Special Projects division. Intelligence in the HC25 is expressed through its revolutionary dual-volume structure. The defining feature is a glossy black structural ribbon that visually slices the car in two. This isn't just an aesthetic choice. It's a functional spine that integrates the radiator air intakes and powertrain heat extraction. The side profile is dominated by a sweeping movement that flows from the rear wheels, rises vertically over the door, and merges into a sculpted handle milled from solid aluminum. The lighting signature is equally bespoke, ultra-slim, twin-pod headlamp modules with vertical LED DRLs that echo the flagship F80. This is a high-fidelity digital gaze, a visual bridge between the mechanical history of the V8 and the geometric future of Maranello. Visually, the HC25 departs from the voluptuous curves of the past, opting for the sharp crests and geometric rhythms of Ferrari's future design language. Finished in matte Moonlight gray, the body has a dense, monolithic quality that contrasts sharply with the glossy black elements. Inside, the cabin maintains a technical dialogue with the exterior. Technical gray fabrics are accented by lava-yellow graphics that mirror the boomerang shapes of the exterior lighting. The architecture is completed by custom 5-spoke wheels with a diamond-finished outer rim, designed to visually enlarge the diameter and emphasize the car's mid-engine muscularity. This is a vision of where Ferrari is going, built on the bones of where it has been. The analysis is final. The Ferrari HC25 is a transitional masterpiece. It proves that while the non-hybrid V8 belongs to our history, the spirit of bespoke, client-driven engineering is the cornerstone of Ferrari's future. It is a calculated, strategic bridge between two eras. But the Special Projects Lab never stops, and the next one-off is already in the simulation. To ensure your tactical knowledge stays at the highest level, you must stay connected to the source. Subscribe to Vision Effect TV now. I am AVA. I'll see you in the next simulation.